We are here at SIP Prodigy India 2023, a program conducted by SIP Abacus for nurturing skill development in children between the ages 5 to 12, helping the children to improve their arithmetic ability, concentration and learning skills. At present, we have over 4,700 students participating in this 20th National Prodigy. Let's now hear from few parents about their experience from the program.
SIP has actually helped him focus on a lot of activities, which obviously then impacted how he performs at school and everything else. So it has really helped us a lot.
Yeah, SIP has impacted her very much. It improved her concentration level.
I can see him doing parallel things at a time. He can remember a lot of things just by reading once.
SIP Academy India 2003 से एक विश्व स्तरीय कौशल विकास कार्यक्रम चला रही है, जिसमें इन्होंने 8.5 लाख से भी ज्यादा बच्चों को ट्रेन किया हुआ है। SIP ने नेशनल लेवल पर SIP Abacus Prodigy कंपटीशन के 20वें एडिशन को लॉन्च किया, जिसमें देश भर से करीब 4700 बच्चों ने खिताब के लिए पार्टिसिपेट किया। 26 जनवरी 2023 को हैदराबाद में इस इवेंट में चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पर IAS रिटायर्ड श्री DR गर्ग, CEO of Telangana State Human Rights Commission ने शिरकत करी।
It's a wonderful experience to see young kids, very young kids, doing calculations so fast, and the fear of maths will disappear if this kind of training is introduced in the schools. I think this can help a great way. I recommend that it should be introduced in all the primary schools, this kind of training.
इस इवेंट को 2 स्टेज में ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था, जिसमें पार्टिसिपेंट्स को 300 मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम्स 11 मिनट्स में सॉल्व करनी थी, जिसमें एबेकस, मल्टीप्लिकेशंस, डिविजन्स और विजुअल अरिथमेटिक सम्स भी शामिल थे। SIP Abacus India एंड इंटरनेशनल के MD मिस्टर दिनेश विक्टर ने इस मामले पर क्या कहा, सुनिए।
We are one of the largest competitions of such kind of event that we are seeing in India. So this is a very unique event, if you can notice that children are doing arithmetic sums and not a small number. In just 11 minutes, they're doing close to 200-250 sums. And as you have noticed in the event, the fact that children can do it itself is amazing.
2023 से पहले हुए SIP Abacus Prodigy ने नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर आयोजित कॉम्पिटिशन्स के साइज और पैटर्न्स के लिए 4 लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड हासिल किए हैं। SIP Abacus ने अपनी काफी सारी फ्रेंचाइजीज भी दी हुई हैं, उनमें से एक है लाजपत नगर, दिल्ली। मिस रोमा निहालिनी SIP Abacus की फ्रेंचाइजी चलाती हैं। उन्होंने क्या कहा, सुनिए।
I have a franchisee that I run for SIP Abacus. I've been running it for good 17 years. Today is a national level contest that we are hosting, National Level Prodigy 2023. And we have more than 4,700 students. What they get out of this prodigy is fantastic confidence. They get an opportunity to display all that they have learned, their concentration skills, their arithmetic abilities. They carry back a lot of inspiration. So the junior level students, they get to sit with the senior level ones and they know what to do. They learn what all to do to improve themselves.
SIP Abacus Prodigy को देखने के लिए SIP Abacus India के एम्प्लॉइज के साथ साथ उनके पेरेंट्स भी मौजूद थे। इस प्रोग्राम में 12,000 से ज्यादा लोगों ने शिरकत करी। चलिए अब आपको बताते हैं कि Abacus में मास्टर ट्रेनर का क्या रोल होता है।
So it's like impacting the entire crowd of that age group. So we are impacting that the mental potential of that age group of children. So it's a huge responsibility on us. So I have to tell you in one word, it's a responsibility and it's fun.
We have witnessed the grandeur of SIP Prodigy 2023 and how SIP is helping children to develop their skills. We can wish all the participants all the best. This is Akshaya signing off from ABP Live.